How to remove traits from Instagram bio. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to Login Helps. And on today's tutorial we will see how we can remove traits from Instagram bio. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, launch the Instagram application and make sure to log in. If you're on your home page, navigate to your profile page by tapping on the profile icon from the bottom right corner. That's gonna take you to your profile page. So just under your profile name, there you can see the trait badge. So to remove that from your bio, all you have to do is tap on the edit profile button. Under this page, scroll down a bit and there is a toggle that says show traits badge. If you want to remove from the Instagram bio, all you have to do is turn off the toggle. Once you have turned off the toggle, now if you go back and look in your profile page, there you will not be able to find your traits badge on Instagram bio. So that's the way to remove traits from Instagram bio, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.